What's up, guys? Welcome to More Family TV. We forgot to do an intro and an outro on this video, so this will be our intro and the outro. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It will be a 3-part video. I gave the kids a chance to record. They'll be using the GoPro, I'll be using the Canon 80D. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The kids really enjoy it when you guys give them a like. They can tell that people are watching it. The 60 views on our last video meant a lot to us. So hopefully we just keep going up from there. I don't mind getting 70, I don't mind getting 80. They love it, like I said, and to them that's a lot. So please like it and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yesterday, pretty windy day today. Pretty windy.
I think this is the big thing where we saw like the thing right there, the big.
Yeah, we will see it. Okay. Over here, Luna. Let's go.
What's going on, YouTube? Today we are at a location where
The preserve.
well, it's like the preserve in Plano, but a little bit probably better because it's the nature center, the Martin Nature Center.
And there's a park.
We got Luna, we got Mommy, we got Donnie, and we got the shy guy over there who never looks at the camera. But then again, his friends are just waiting for him to play with him right now.
And
Yeah, he's being haunted right now. Look at that guy. Woo. There's a bunch of spider webs on him. Alrighty.
guys, we might be able to play tag on it.
No, oh, at the park he's talking about.
No, not the park.
But yeah, this is a pretty cool place. We haven't explored all of it yet. We probably came here maybe 2 weeks ago.
No,
But we
there's
were
a homeless truck.
kicked out.
No, probably like 1 week ago. And we were over here. We didn't record none of this stuff when we came here because we had that camera that we're using right now, and we didn't have a GoPro.
Yeah, but now we got the GoPro.
Yeah.
Here it is. It's kind of weird. It's a GoPro Hero 5 with the Karma grip.
Yep.
So we're trying to create some some nice scenery for you guys. So hopefully you guys like it. I don't know what this place is, and it looks like it's open today. I don't know. Well, it might not be, but
It says it's open on Saturdays or Sundays. Wednesday through Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays.
what's today?
It's Sunday. Yeah.
It says open. Open it?
It's open.
Oh crap, it's
Wait,
open.
are we supposed to go inside there?
If you want to. Let's go into the room quick.
That's a snake. That's a snake.
Last time I came here, we couldn't even come in here. That was pretty cool. A snake?
Yeah.
Where's the snake over here?
Oh yeah, kids are sleeping. He's sleeping. I see the snake is that.
Mm-hmm. You want to touch it, Luna?
No. Oh! Like a tablet. Like a tablet. You can see that?
Yeah, it's crazy. What is that? Oh, whoa, that is cool. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can see it.
What? Mommy, let me see.
Look at the skin, the snake skin.
Look at this back. Oh, this is weird.
Like Daddy. With the scorpion.
That's weird. Let me see, Don. Let me look at the camera and see.
What is that?
No, no, stop.
I want to see something. What is this? That's just that. This is not snake.
The snake skin.
I don't know. I want to see that.
Focus.
That is really hard for me. I know.
Some magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Look at the wings.
It's a burger. Mine.
Here, you try it. Let me hold your baby.
Oh, baby.
The turtle smell or something.
You got this one like this. That's bigger. Oh, shoot. I don't want to touch that.
Why?
Inside of it. I don't want to touch it. Wait, I just want to touch the outside. Did they seriously not?
Yeah. They did it. You're right. Damn. Don't be scared, yo. It's part of the nature, man.
No, this I actually get it. Wait. Look at this. Oh, hi. Oh. Daddy, I'm here. Daddy, I'm here. I think you're bigger.
A unicorn. Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my Jesus.
You just got this back.
Viewer discretion.
What'd you do?
It's a dead rat.
Hey, look at the fish.
Oh, grip.
Look at the fish.
So you know.
Yeah, we're not gonna show what's in here, but
Turtle.
let's just say these guys are eating right now. They're eating something really
is
crazy.
that?
No, I'm not gonna
It's a
show
rat.
this.
It's a rat.
Yeah.
Those are beetles. That's a turtle. I want to pet this thing.
Yeah, they do look great.
What is this? Oh, wait. It goes here. Okay. Oh, it's just a thing. So I'm about to open this.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna have to get used to try to record a little bit. So please have some patience, please. There's some awesome views. I'm trying to figure out what is better to capture with it, either with the GoPro or with the camera. I still need like a tripod so I can get this out more farther, you know. I'm too close. It's too close, you know. There's a Chiquita down there. We're about to go down there in a bit. The boys say they found the beetle, so we're about to go see the beetle. I'm sorry, but shaky, like I said, boy. Here we go. Oh, they don't got fall, man. Oh, don't fall.
Whoa, we can go down here. Yeah, it's right there.
Oh man, that's a common beetle, boy.
Can we go down here?
Luna's baby that she brought all over here, man.
Wow, Luna's trying to protect
She
her
didn't want to leave
baby.
it in the car because
It's
she
too,
Luna's
knows,
trying to
she knows
protect
she's
her
not supposed to
baby.
leave kids in the car.
yeah,
It's too hot.
it's too hot for babies to stay in the car, so she had to bring
Luna's
the
smart too.
baby. Go, Bon, go. You want to do the challenge? Go, man. You want to be the first one to get wet? Go. I ain't going in there.
Whoa, we can go in there. We can go in there.
No, Luna. Seriously, Luna? Oh, mommy can't make it. I don't know if you can, Luna. Where there's ants? How big are they?
I saw a queen ant.
A green ant?
Queen ants look like.
A queen?
I don't know. How big are queen ants, Daddy? As big as the camera, Daddy?
No.
How big are they?
About like 4 times bigger the regular ant size.
Then, Donnie. Here, look, we're
Let me
in
try
the
to go.
queen ant,
Let me
Donnie.
try.
Which one? Daddy, there's ants on that. There's no queen ant, Donnie. 4 more inches bigger than ants.
Damn, about to say you. Yeah.
This big. This big, Donnie.
If I get 50 likes, I'll go over there.
They live for 30 years.
If I get 50 likes, I will walk over there, bro.
And
If we get 100 likes, Donnie will go.
no, if you get 100 likes, I'll jump in.
I'll
No, you're not.
go all the way to the edge. Right. Yeah, where the
all of us.
scary spider webs are.
But Daddy, I'm on.
You're on?
Yeah, I'm behind you.
Let me scoot over.
Yeah, I'm getting on too. Wanna be
Oh, look at the bird. Oh, oh man.
I'm gonna be scared when you people run. Anyways, actually no, I'm not. Hi,
Let me show you guys how high they are. Let me go down. There. Oh, Luna, watch out. They're a bit high. About to switch to the GoPro. We might be able to see it better with the GoPro on this one. Here we go.
okay guys, so we're at this lake. We're here, Spring Lake. And this place we think is cool. And yeah. That's how it is. The water. And yeah. So, what we are doing is just exploring a lot. And yeah. Because my dad takes pictures. Ooh, what is this thing? What is that thing? I see it. I see that thing.
Oh, hold the baby.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a bug. Here's Luna. Donnie. There's the grandma.
Talk about the future of their channel, of your channel.
The future of my channel is going to be of gaming, vlogs, and yeah, pretty much more gaming. Yeah. You guys can sit on this edge.
Luna!
What, yeah. This place is cool. Sit down. You guys can look at this. What is it?
Before you get the camera back up to the edge, you gotta press and hold the...
Okay, guys. Well, we try to do as much as we can, but we are a family who does not exercise at all. I mean, look at ourselves. He has a big belly. I don't know. He's the other one. If we do competitions, we probably do food competitions. Maybe order everything out of the menu. If we get 100 likes, I'll do that, you know. Order everything out the menu and maybe eat
If we get
the more challenges, you know. So let us know, 100 likes. Keep sharing it, and then when I get 100 likes, I'll order everything on Panda Express, and we'll have to eat it, even if it's shrimp. I don't like shrimp, but we'll have to eat it.
I like shrimp.
Yeah, we'll do it for the views, you know. We'll eat whatever you want in Panda.
No, I'm not eating everything.
Yeah, we can even have the secret menu of the Panda meat. Really good. Whenever you guys go to Panda, ask for it. Well, you probably already ate it. It's beef broccoli. Beef broccoli. Beef broccoli, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. Well, we'll meet you guys back probably in the car because we are tired. Nico's still going to be recording on the GoPro. We'll see how good he did. Huh? Donnie's turned on. Nico. We're about to do the switch right now. See how it goes. Peace.
So we're going this way, guys. Follow us. Come on. Don't aim it too low, man. Make sure you pay attention to the camera. Up right here. Hey. What's up, guys? Take off your stuff.
We are going back wherever we're going. I don't know where we're going, so. Drop a like, make sure to subscribe. And like the video and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below what do you want to see next, and we'll do it if we can. Only if we can. And I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the car because we are tired. and we want to get hydrated.
Buddy, that camera I think is you're facing it the wrong way, it's backwards. Remember why I told you to face the thing towards you? There you go. You had it upside down. Okay, let's go.
Sorry guys, but I just put it upside down. I don't know how to hold the camera. It's just weird. 'Cause I never hold. Well, yesterday I was holding a GoPro Hero 5 and it was hard. Yeah. We may be able to, you know, we may be able to go to a park, play some tag, you know, on video. And by the way, well, I don't know what we're gonna do right now. Just gonna walk to our car, I think, or we're going to the playground. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go to our car, drink some water, and go back out. Sorry guys, that I just put it upside down. Well, we're going inside a building right now. See? Right there. And there's the other cameraman. And see, we went in this place right here. And yeah. Oh, look at that.
We have that at work. It's pretty cool.
Oh, I need to drink some water. Oh, I'm very tired. Yeah. Very tired, so I'm gonna drink some water, guys.
You can do your hand. Day, you can do your hand. You do your hand if your hand is like not good. Hey,
Luna, can I drink some water now?
that's weird.
This is our baby sister, Mia,
I have a new water.
and we're gonna check out this place. As you can see, it's not the beginning, and it's pretty cool. If you go inside that area, yeah. Yep. Like 100 now. Yeah. Well, we're outside again, vlogging some more. We are gonna go to a park, but we're hydrated now because inside that building,
This is American Plum.
That's what it's saying.
this building we got hydrated, so we're ready to go to the park now, and I don't know what we're gonna do there. We'll probably play some tag, as I said. Yeah. Here is the park, guys. The park, as we arrive at the park now. Well, if y'all look up here, here is playground, the main spot, and right here, this is a table. Where I like to go is right here, and the good old shade. Yep. Guys, you see this? See this there? And yeah. You know, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna eat some apples. Huh? And we're going to a lake, I think. I'm gonna start here. And if my voice sounds weird, I'm eating apples, like you know. I'm gonna go down a slide real quick with y'all, and I'm hoping that I don't drop y'all. So I won't. Keep turning it backwards, guys. Okay. Well, green. Your view is light green. My view is dark green and light green. Whoa, guys. Oh, we made it back out of the slide. And y'all.